Yeah, I'm about to pull the fuel tank out. I'm gonna try to do it by myself by using an upside down table. I forgot to hit record. It's not going well. If you're seeing this, send help. Oh no, there's a freaking leak! What in the absolute heck? Okay, new day. About to start pulling all the rest of this crap out. Move as much as I can so I could clean this up and make a list of all the new bushings and bearings and all the bull crap I have to buy. You know, pull all the lines and stuff that I'm not going to be using. I'll probably do the upgraded brake lines instead of the hard lines. Yeah, I'm about to pull the fuel tank out, and I'm gonna try to do it by myself by using an upside down table. I feel like if this works, this is a good DIY by yourself trick. So I guess we're gonna find out here shortly. I forgot to hit record. It's not going well. If you're seeing this, send help. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. What are we hung up on, boys and girls? Let's see. We got the neck. Oh, we might just need to go forward. We might just need to go ditch the tape. I don't know if that's what I was trying to go for, but that wasn't the best. Oh no, there's a freaking leak! Ah! Dang it. This car is already putting me through my paces, because that is a large leak. The pull of shame.
Shame. Shame. Shame.
There's gotta be ways to patch plastic in 2025, right? I mean, I feel like it's gotta be not that, I don't know. We'll see. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. One thing that I totally forgot about that I need to figure out is the sending unit, because this is just a normal hose. I'm wondering how I'm gonna do the AN setup. I completely forgot. I don't know what I did to make this work for my 2J cars. I cannot remember. Nick probably welded something or did something wild right here, if I had to guess. That was like 7 years ago, so I guess we'll see. Ugh, gross. All right, on to the next thing. I hope in the next video I have just a mustache. That being said, got the little doohickey with the blammy off. You know, this part. I'm gonna pull the float out. Start pulling the float out, and I'm like, what the? Oh, hold on, gotta switch hands. What the? Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. I guess I don't even know if this is the upside, but the only upside is this S14 tank is plastic. So I'm almost wondering if I can do some sort of, I don't know, like a plastic weld and plate it with like some mesh just to fix the crack. But other than that, I mean, oh my God, wait, I didn't see this yet. Oh my God, what in the absolute heck is that for you young oh my God, this has to be like a world record, right? Blast the comments if this has ever happened to you. Okay, I'm gonna I'm gonna pull the rest of this out. This is disgusting.
Alright, so maybe not. But it's alright, that's easy enough.
You just hit it hard enough and everything is rusted.
See, that part's good. That part's good. Technically the top's good.
Does this make headphone users, does that suck? Probably sucks.
Headphone users?
Yeah. Put the little thing.
Yeah. Turn your headphones up.
Yeah.
Start beeping on it.
This sounds so good. Turn your headphones up. Oh my god, what are you doing, bro?
Oh, I'm trying to see.
Rob sold me a car and the damn floors don't even work. Floors are all.
Floors still even work.
Gotta charge them.
That's because you don't have real.
If he would so, oh, sorry DJ, that's my bad language. Rob would have let me
Dolphin noise.
put my SSRs on this car, would have never had rust. Just kidding, love you, Rob. You can still park by me. Alright, I'm gonna drill a hole maybe and see about cutting this, and maybe we can see more, you know? Because isn't there a thing right here? A brace?
Yeah, I think so.
That video I saw that.
He's about to be deaf.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, God. My name. Oh, wait. Sorry, DJ. My name is Jamal Lewis. I make myself laugh. You know what I'm talking about from Key and Peele?
Nope.
You never seen the Key and Peele?
Yeah.
He's like,
Torque. Lewis, Nevada State Penitentiary.
oh my gosh. I don't even know. I feel like this is about to be so. I'm sorry for the camera moving. Oh my gosh. Why are we doing all this? Alright, hold on, boys and girls. Maybe I could hold it just for a second. So, I'm just gonna show you what I'm cutting. Alright, this is really loud. I'm gonna do like a magic trick. Got the dry ice and started cutting. I don't remember where I stopped because the camera died. But just gonna see how bad the rust is and try not to cut too much out. I know I just cut one completely out, but also bought a bunch of tools and a welder, a bunch of stuff I don't know how to use. Oh, that's pretty spooky. It's pretty spooky. All right, I will give you an update, all 7 of you, here shortly. Okay, so some of the rust wasn't as bad as this spot. I think this isn't gonna be as bad just doing this one, but a lot of this stuff is treatable on this side. The couple holes, you know, I'm gonna cut those out, try to patch them up. I just pressure washed in here and all old 240 juice. Gross. This side, the same thing. I cut out all the big spots. I feel like this might be easier to patch and treat. This side was actually pretty good. So I don't know how to weld, but DJ went to school for welding, so he said he can do it. You know, Ian will weld some. I'll probably weld some and mess it up, but that's the fun of learning. Yeah, engine bay is looking pretty fresh. I gotta do one more coat of degreaser and maybe a wire wheel or something and get the rest of this off, and we're off to the races, boys and girls. See ya.